Hey everybody, it is day 27 of the 2023 Daily Red Heart Patterns. And this day is kind of special to me because it's my birthday. And I love granny squares, and so I couldn't resist but making the granny day on my birthday. I know it's a little silly, but it's a little birthday present to me. So let's just take a look. I know this is a Christmas pattern and we are probably way over Christmas, but it's never too early to start planning for next year. So this is the Red Heart Granny Tree skirt and I just love it. I think it looks so cute and country. All right, so this wonderful crochet tree skirt features colors of Red Heart Super Saver, which is a really good yarn choice for this project because it is so durable. This is listed at as an intermediate level pattern, and I think that's mostly because there is some shaping involved. But I don't think you should be afraid of this pattern. I think if you like this, you should go for it. Of course, just like any other crochet pattern, you can choose any color you want, but what a great scrap project this would be, right? Use up all your scrap yarns. Um, yeah, I really, really like this one a lot, obviously. Okay, let's take a look at our next granny square project. Okay, next we have the Red Heart Granny Square purse, and I think that this is really cute too, and you could make it in more than one color, as you can see here. And obviously, you can always make crochet stuff in more than one color. You can use as many colors as you want because you are the boss. You're in charge. All right, so this says this Red Heart Granny Square purse is actually an intermediate level project, which is kind of surprising to me, but it might have something to do with the fact that you've got to put it together and you've got these ring handles that you have to attach. But generally, granny squares, excuse me, are super easy to make. So they do show it here in two different colors, but it's really, really cute. The one problem I do have with crochet bags is they tend to get stretched out, so you don't really want to put anything too heavy in them, in my opinion. So let me know how you feel about that. Have you used crochet bags very much, and if so, do you have problems with them stretching out? I've had trouble with them stretching out even with cotton yarns, so I'm curious to hear what you think about that. All right, let's move on to our next granny square project. All right, this one looks pretty simple. We're going to open it up. This is called the Glam Granny's Scarf. All right, the crocheted granny has been elevated and shown in glamorous designer collections. I'm not sure if you've noticed that, but it's true. You're starting to see like granny square sweaters and jackets and things like that out in with the celebrities. But this one also has a scarf that goes along with it. So this is the pattern for the Glam Granny Scarf. Don't worry about this because I have a feeling we might see more of this. All right, let's check out our next pattern. Okay, so next we have the Red Heart Coatigan in Grannies. So this is really beautiful. Okay, so this looks to me like the jacket that we saw in the last picture with the scarves. It's just a different color. So this lavishly designed coatigan is easy to crochet in Red Heart Super Saver. Yep, you heard that right. This is an easy level crochet pattern. And it looks so cozy, doesn't it? Super warm. These colors are perfect for fall. And I love that it has like these, openings here on the side. And I'm pretty sure it has a hood. Yeah, see her, she is modeling it with the scarf. Let me see if we can get a picture of it from the back. I don't think we can get one from the back. It's hard to determine whether that's a hood or just a very big collar, but I think it's a hood. Yeah, I love this coatigan, which I think is a great name too. The coatigan. Okay, everybody, so that is going to do it for day 27 of the Daily Red Heart Patterns, Granny Style. I will see you tomorrow for the last final day of this series. Until then, have a good one. Bye bye.